Alright, I was shipped these resin models that I need to prime before I paint. They come in a small square box like that. I'm going to show you how to take 4 pieces of tape on the small box. So what you do is get 2 pieces of tape, 2 fingers, line them up that way, another piece of tape here. If you can get that to the far end, it's great. And that piece of tape will hold it so you can pull your fingers off. And put the 4th piece of tape down. You might put a finger here to kind of pull it tight. And so now you can set some models. So you can get some models on the box and use that to spray them with primer. Another option is if you get a small thin box like this, you can run 1 piece of tape that's folded over around the tops. It'll stick to itself, hold itself pretty steady. It's good for painting 1, maybe 1 large or 2 small minis.